Hello, this is Laura. Welcome to day 34 of your 60-day English Fluency Challenge. Today, we are going to work on a very powerful skill, expressing your ideas in discussions and handling different opinions. This is where your English becomes truly real. Because in real life, people do not always agree with you, and you need to know how to express your thoughts clearly, confidently, and respectfully. Let me ask you something honestly. When someone disagrees with you in English, do you feel uncomfortable? Do you feel like you don't know what to say? That is completely normal. But today, we are going to change that. Today, you will learn how to agree, disagree, and explain your ideas naturally. Let me tell you something important. Good communication is not about winning an argument. It is about expressing your ideas clearly and understanding others. So today, we will focus on respectful and confident speaking. Let's start with a simple idea. When you agree with someone, do not just say yes. Expand your response. For example, you can say, I agree with you because that makes a lot of sense. Or I think you are right and I feel the same way. This sounds natural and thoughtful. Now let's go deeper. When you disagree, do it politely. Do not say you are wrong. Instead, say I see your point, but I think differently, or I understand what you are saying. But from my point of view, it is a bit different. This keeps the conversation respectful. Now let's move to your first exercise. It is called Agree and Expand. Someone says learning English takes time. You respond, I agree because learning any skill requires patience and consistent effort, and I think practice plays a big role. Add more and keep going. Now your second exercise is disagree politely. Someone says practice is not necessary. You respond, I understand your point, but I believe practice is very important because it helps us improve and build confidence. This is how you disagree naturally. Now let's go deeper. Your third exercise is give reasons. Do not just agree or disagree. Explain why. For example, I think consistency is important because it creates long-term improvement, and without it, progress becomes slow. This makes your English strong. Now let's practice real discussion. Someone says it is difficult to stay consistent. You respond, I understand that it can feel difficult, but I believe consistency becomes easier when we take small steps every day. This is balanced and confident. Now let's move to something powerful. Your fourth exercise is ask thoughtful questions. After responding, ask a question. For example, what do you think helps people stay consistent? This keeps the discussion going. And now let me share something important. In real conversations, people respect those who listen and respond thoughtfully. So always listen first, then speak. Now let me talk to you honestly. You have reached day 34. That means your English is becoming strong. You can speak, react, express, and now you are learning to discuss and share ideas. This is advanced communication. Now let's do one powerful exercise together. I will give you a topic and you respond with an opinion, a reason, and a question. Topic: learning English online. Learning English online is very effective because it gives us flexibility and access to many resources, and I feel like it helps people learn it at their own pace. What do you think works best for you? Continue and add more. Keep your flow smooth. Now let me give you one powerful tip. Stay calm when you speak. Even if you disagree, keep your tone relaxed. This makes you sound confident and mature. Now let's do one final practice. Imagine someone says, speaking English every day is not necessary. You respond, I see your point, but I feel like daily speaking practice helps build confidence and fluency. And even a few minutes can make a difference. What do you think about that? This is natural and strong. Now, before we finish, I want you to take action. Write in the comments, day 34 complete, and this time, write one sentence where you agree and one where you disagree politely. Keep it simple, but make it clear. This is Laura, and remember, real fluency is not just speaking. It is expressing your ideas with confidence and respect. I will see you in day 35. Keep going.